ready to take control of your Bitcoin and move it from Coinbase to your Coinbase wallet. First things first, make sure you have both the Coinbase app and the Coinbase Wallet app downloaded and set up on your device, because you will need both of them to successfully send Bitcoin. Open your Coinbase app and tap on your Bitcoin balance to view your Bitcoin holdings. Now tap the Send button. It's the icon with the arrow pointing out. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer to your Coinbase wallet. Switch over to your Coinbase Wallet app and select Bitcoin, then tap Receive to reveal your unique Bitcoin address. Copy this address. It's a long string of letters and numbers. Be precise. This is where your Bitcoin will be sent. Go back to the Coinbase app and paste the address you just copied into the recipient address field. Double check every character to make sure it matches your Coinbase wallet address. This is crucial. Review the transaction details, paying attention to the amount of Bitcoin you're sending and the network fees. Confirm the transaction. You might need to use two-factor authentication depending on your Coinbase security settings. Your Bitcoin is now on its way. It will take a few minutes for the transaction to be confirmed on the Bitcoin blockchain. You can track the progress in both the Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet apps. Once confirmed, your Bitcoin will be available in your Coinbase wallet. Remember to back up your recovery phrase to keep your wallet safe. You now have complete control over your Bitcoin. Keep your recovery phrase safe and enjoy the added security of your own self-custodial wallet. #Bitcoin transfer #CoinBase Wallet.